Hello guys and welcome back to another video. We are now officially in December and that means it is time for another portfolio update. And today I'm gonna share everything about my portfolio. I'm gonna share all of my best performing stocks during the last month, all of my new investments, all the dividend income that I've gotten during the month, and my plans going forward. But before we get to all of that, then in case you're new to the channel, then my name is Casper and here we strictly talk about investing and financial freedom. So if you really like investing and you want to retire early, well then press that subscribe button below. Also guys, please leave a comment below the video and tell me what has been going on in your portfolio during the last month. I'm guessing that you've also had a really good month. Anyways, moving into how my portfolio has performed during the last month, then the last month has been the best month ever for me. And I currently have a portfolio that is worth $42,488. And I'm up by more than $3,800 during the last month alone, or 10.18%. And that is the highest return that I have ever received for a single month. And when comparing my returns with the returns for the rest of the market, well then we do see that I've slightly outperformed most of the major indexes, as I do have a return that is slightly above 10%. And I also received $32 in dividends. And even though that isn't the best month for me in terms of dividends, then getting dividends every single month is an absolutely amazing feeling. And I received dividends from Realty Income Corp where I got $18. I also got dividends from Abby and that paid me $12. And lastly, I also got paid dividends from Apple and they paid me $2. So that is $32 in dividends in total. And when looking at my total performance during the last 4 months, well then we do see that I'm up by almost $2,400 or 5.20%. So I'm finally making money in the stock market again. And during the last 4 months, I have also gotten $470 in pure dividends. And that isn't bad at all. And as some of you might have noticed, then I did also invest $1,000 this month. And I bought 7 shares in SCHD, so I went from 25 to 32 shares in total. And I also bought 1 share in VOO, so I went from 41 to 42 shares in total. And that was basically everything I did during the last month, where I didn't sell any stocks. And during this month, I decided to invest into 2 high quality ETFs. And the reason for that is because during the last couple of months, I have been investing heavily into individual stocks. However, I still want the core of my portfolio to be placed within high quality ETFs. So that is exactly why I decided to invest into VOO and SCHD. But anyways, let's talk about my best performing stocks during the last month. And my best performing stock by far is Tesla. That is up by 18% and that is absolutely incredible. And year to date, they are now up by 120%. So owning Tesla during the last year has been amazing. And during the last year, the EV sector and the technology sector have done very well. So it is no surprise that Tesla is also doing very well. But moving on to the second best performing stock during the month, and that is another tech company, and it is Nvidia, which is up by 13% during the last month, and that is pretty good as well. However, Nvidia is up by 220% year to date, and that is completely insane to think about. It is amazing how they just can keep on increasing their share price. However, a lot of it is due to the explosive growth in AI chips. And my third best stock during the last month is another tech company, and that is Apple. And they are up by almost 12% during the last month, and year to date, they are now up by almost 53%. So it has been a really good year for Apple as well. I haven't really had any stocks that has given me a negative return during the last month. And that might honestly be the first time I've ever tried that. And when taking a look at all of my individual stocks, then we do see that I've made money on almost all of them. And I only have a couple of investments where I've lost money. And since I started investing, well then I do have a total return of more than $10,000 or just above 44%. So overall, then I'm pretty happy about how my portfolio has performed. Not only during the last month where the market has been completely crazy, but also over the long term where I've made some solid gains as well. And moving on to my plans going forward, and here I haven't really changed much. I want to keep on investing every single month, and I want to keep on investing more and more into dividend paying stocks. However, I still want the core of my portfolio to be placed within high quality ETFs like VOO and SCHD for the best possible diversification. And I have also been thinking about adding more tech stocks to the portfolio, as they've had a really nice return for the last couple of years, and they will most likely have a pretty good return going forward as well. And that was basically all I had in this monthly portfolio update. Overall, then I've had a very good month, and I hope that you've had the same. However, please leave a comment below the video and tell me how your portfolio has performed during the last month. I want to know which stocks has performed the best for you and what has paid you the highest dividend during the last month. I want to know all about it, so please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching the video. I hope that you liked the video. And if you actually did, then don't forget to press the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more weekly videos just like this one. See you guys in the next one.